Now's the time to head to McDonald's for crisp, cool McSalad shakers. Just pour on your favorite dressing.
We apologize for the interruption, but we have important local public emergency information to bring you at this time. Today, on Thursday, June 1st, 2000, just 5 minutes ago in the area at exactly 10:00 p.m. Central Standard Time in the area of Hometown North, Colorado. A strange anomaly recently killed a civilian and is now being named the discarded vessel by locals. This vessel appears to be a young childlike human that has no face, no heart, and most importantly, no soul. Everyone living in the Lake County area of Colorado in which this message is being transmitted in are advised to lock the doors, close all curtains and blinds to their windows, turn off all lights, and stay still, as even the slightest bit of loud movement in your home will alert the discarded vessel and bring it to your doorstep, potentially injuring or ending the lives of you and your loved ones. Due to current local events, we are unable to resume regularly scheduled programming until further notice. Please stand by and remain as quiet as possible in your home until given the clear for your safety. Leave this broadcast on your television for further instructions.